Sullivan. I'm a former IRS agent and teaching instructor. Welcome to my YouTube station. I try to give you the information you need. I worked at IRS a long time, and I have been doing this work actually for 5 decades. IRS, by the way, I have a whole team of former IRS agents. Look at my website. You can see I'm a national expert in resolution matters. I have been on many TV stations. Anyway, I just want to let you know that liens and levies and wage garnishments are all coming out. This is like big news, what's going on in the IRS circles and for people to be aware of. What happened is that during COVID, about 18 months, IRS suppressed all the notices. IRS, the federal notices were all suppressed. They figured the IRS that they didn't want to burden the people. They didn't want to piss off the congressman. So IRS just stopped that. Then all of a sudden, 6 weeks ago, they come out with this LT-35 letter. It's this very soft notice. It says, hey, remember us, you owe taxes. Well, what's going to happen is IRS is going to start to send out their CP notices again, which are kind of their meaner letters to let them know they're coming out. And then what's going to happen, bank levies and seizures and garnishments are all starting back up again. So if you were a runner at a race, the LT-35 letter, boom, it's the start gun. And from that, it's just going to build up and build up. And if you don't address the issue, IRS will be going ahead, like I said, and sending out wage garnishments, bank levy seizures, and federal tax liens. To stop all this, you just need to call IRS and go ahead and say, hey, what do you want me to do here? But you have to know, I know what IRS is going to do. You can make the call yourself as long as you know what's going to be, how you're going to be received at the other end. I just got a call right now. That's why I'm doing this video. The guy said, mea culpa, IRS, what do you want to do? He's got a $2,100 payment agreement because he didn't know that IRS has this really harsh way to treat people who owe debt, and that is they apply the national standard to their expenses, which means that the expenses you put, IRS isn't going to accept them. They erase them. They put in their own standard. So if you do not know what the IRS National Standard Program is, do not call IRS, or you'll be really sorry. It's going to financially ruin you. Now, if you don't make a lot of money, it's not. If you're a wage earner and you know, like under 20 to 25,000, IRS really, they're okay. But if you're self-employed and you owe a lot of money, IRS is going to look harshly at your income and expenses, and that's where you really got to be careful, and that's where you really need someone to kind of intervene. You don't want the person to call IRS and try to help you because it doesn't work. But anyway, I just want to tell you these federal tax liens and wage garnishments and bank levies are going to be coming out, so just prepared. But you will get notices before they do. Sorry, just getting over the flu. Anyway, if you need me, you can call me. Look at my website. I got plenty of information. I got a bunch of videos. Give me a subscription if you would. I try to tell you what's going on behind the IRS scene. One other thing you got to know. The computer goes ahead and sends out all the letters. There's not a person touches your case until you call IRS or until they send you a letter. Thank you.